All right, guys, all things Buick. You know I love my Regals, so I'm here with Dwight, and you got a what? What you got here?
1976 Buick Regal.
76 Regal. You done had this car for how long?
50 years.
50 years, my man, my man. So yeah, so you willing to sell this now though, huh?
Yes, I am.
All right. So what you looking to get for it?
At least 5,000.
At least 5,000.
Yep.
All right. So I'm gonna put it on the channel, and I'm gonna put it out there, and do you mind giving your number or what? How because that's the only way people gonna be able to get in touch with you.
Yeah. Okay. The number, your average code 1262
262
900
900
1030.
1030.
Yep.
All right. So once you sell it, you let me know, and I'll put sold on there where nobody will know to come by, keep bothering you about the car. All right.
Okay.
So
yeah. The car has been totally modified. It's all Chevrolet drivetrain.
So
it's block Chevy.
It's built for racing though.
Built for racing, yeah. Street racing too.
Okay. So you say that Chevy engine? What was it? A 4?
It's a 396 board to a 402. It got 425 horses. I got a 69 12-bolt rear end, positive traction, 411 gears, a turbo 400 transmission.
All right.
Yep.
So all right, so I'm gonna take a walk around and take a look at this baby real quick. All right, so yeah, I remember this car from back in the day, Black Smoke, boy. It was clean as a whistle, boy. And that was over like 35 years ago when, 40 years ago when I used to see it. Because you say you had it since when?
I had it ever since 76.
Ever since 76?
Brand new.
Bought it brand new, one owner. All right, guys, I looked at it. This car is really solid. It's rebuildable. Now, because, see, I'm going to just tell them, Dwayne, because some of the guys they're going to be coming from miles. So I like for them to know what they looking at, before they come. Yeah. So I'm looking, the doors are somewhat solid. It's just these corners are a little bad. You look in these areas, the quarter here might have had a little work done to it, but the rockers, everything is nice. I can't really get up under here. The floors, you might have to do something with the floors on this one, guys. It's got swivel seats in it. The dash, the dash is cracked windshield. But, it's custom. I see you have power windows and stuff in here too, huh? Yeah. And door locks. Yeah. The headliner. Look like Cutlass seats. Maybe. They plush though. Look at that. So guys, the Regal, I can't get up front. But, that fender is really solid. And he took the chrome off. I can't get up in front and get in the hood. You heard him say it's got a Chevy hood in this Regal, guys, but 76 Regal. And you say the front end ain't nothing damaged on the front of this at all? Like the grill or nothing like that?
You can get up this way.
All right, so yeah, guys, this is what you're looking at. Just coming in showing you.
You can get up there now.
What do you got? I mean, this car is really restorable, guys. I mean, you're gonna have to come in and say, hey, I want to bring this Regal back to life. We Regal guys, we love our Regals. Now open the trunk real quick. That trunk is really solid.
Yeah, you get it in the front now.
All right, let me see if I can get up here. Now, I didn't show, but the other side, the other mirror, the lens, the mirror part is out. So it looked like he had a bug shield on here. But otherwise, the grill, the bumper, everything is there. So he's gonna pull it out one day, guys, too, and I'm gonna come back and film all the way around this. But if you're interested, get in touch with Dwight. Man, this car, I remember this car from back in the days, I'm telling you. Yes, sir. All right, so earlier I tapped in the trunk area. The trunk is really solid, guys. So that means the windshield, the rear window, it ain't leaking in here. But the trunk is really nice. So this car is really restorable, guys. 76. Man, if you're interested, get in touch with Dwight. And give him a call, guys. It's nice. Yes, sir. Yeah. And the rear floors look good. You know, I might end up getting this myself, but man, I just got so many projects right now. I got.
How you get into that? Too many projects.
Yeah, I got too many right now. That's why, but I'd rather share it with somebody else if, you know.
Right, right.
I ain't got nowhere to put it right now either, though.
Right.
But all right, Dwight, I'm going to put it on there.
All right.
I'm going to put it on there tonight.
All right, I appreciate it.
All right, Dwight. Dwight. All right.